Good day, YouTube. Good day, everyone. Today is the 23rd of March. It's Sunday. It's a partly cloudy day. It's a nice day. So, today I just want to give my opinions on Nota Mondays. The previous, what's that? The previous podcast. That was Nota versus Mandisa Mashego, if I'm correct. Yep. So I'm not sure if Mandisa is an EFF member. I'm just thinking right now. Yeah. So Nota Mandisa went head on head with Nota Baloi, and Nota was so calm, so calm throughout the episode, was not lashing back, was not punching back, was not like throwing points back. No, he was like there calm, making jokes, trying to to understand every point that Mandisa was throwing at him. So I also watched the reaction. I also watched the reaction of Ike Khumalo towards the that podcast, and Ike Khumalo was all about Mandisa kind of selling herself, and also with also mentioning her exes and stuff like that. And Ike Khumalo was like turned off, was like, oh, I don't date those kind of ladies who show off their exes and stuff, because some exes, they're way too bad reputation for some men like him, So with Mandisa on that podcast, she was way too aggressive. She was throwing bombshells at Nota, and Nota wasn't responding back. Like, he wasn't responding back. And then so, but what I like about the podcast though, what I like about some of the points that she spoke about is the tax revolt. The tax revolt issue, the tax issue, because the tax is increasing by 0.5 points percent, and then increasing again next year to make it 16, to make VAT 16%. To make VAT on selected items VAT, and some very few selected items. I think they won't be I don't think they won't be affected by the VAT increase. So Mandisa was on about we must revolt the tax increase. We must go to the union buildings and do those rally campaigns and whatever. So that was one of the things that I liked the most. I like the point that we must force the government to find another solution rather than increasing VAT to increase their budget revenue. So moving on, and again tomorrow we are waiting for Nota Baloi, Nota Mondays. So I'm not sure who's gonna be. I don't know actually who's going to be the guest tomorrow, but then we'll see. Moving on. Apparently, I have joined the JSE competitions. Apparently, JSE is holding competitions each and every year, whereby participants invest in the Johannesburg Stock Exchange, and they're given a free virtual money worth of 1 million. So yeah, I've just joined that game, and it's a very interesting game. I'll be giving my updates, my weekly or monthly updates, because there are monthly rewards and yearly rewards. So yeah, we're gonna see on how it turns out to be, because at the moment I'm actually learning how to invest. I'm still learning how to invest. I've got at least, I think, 3 years of practical learning. But yeah, when time goes on, you know, because this is self-taught, you know, you go back and you realize your mistakes and you learn from your mistakes. Yeah, so moving on from the JSE to AI, cryptocurrency, and blockchain. I'm constantly watching the Bitcoin price, because right now, this week actually, we're expecting a break, you know, a break of the Bitcoin price, to break to the upside from the 85 price to upwards. So yeah, this is an expected big pump. Most people are expecting big pumps from Bitcoin, and Bitcoin will also push other altcoins. And again, I'm also watching the FX gold market. It's very impressive, and yeah, I'm learning a lot. I'm truly learning a lot. And then I've got a question. I've got a burning question that I'm always asking myself, that can't we use blockchain to do government audits? Can't we use AI to at least get some, I don't know, because AI is like a language model that is some way some way, I don't know, some way right in its form. So can't we use AI to get recommendations of how to go on about whatever socioeconomics that we are dealing with? Can't we use blockchain to audit financial government reports, those kind of things? Can't we use this emerging technology, especially when it is still emerging like this, and use it to our advantage? And if we're gonna put it on trial, and if the trial goes well, then we put it there permanently. So this is one of the questions that I'm always having. So yeah, next week, tomorrow, starting from tomorrow, Monday, Nota Mondays, and then I'm also expecting for the Bitcoin price to pump higher, above from 85,000 to 90 and to 100 from next week to some months coming. So yeah, this is much for today, and I hope you're having a good day. Cheers.